Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be installing these oEdRo LED lights. Just got these off of Amazon. They came in this box right here. 5-inch 48-watt LED light. We're gonna go ahead and install them on these Colorado. As you can see, I have some pods already installed. We're gonna go ahead and remove those pods and have those installed. Pretty basic installation. These are your basic tools. Some crimping pliers, cutting pliers, stripping pliers, and some terminals. We should be good to go. So let me go ahead and put the brackets on these lights, and then we'll go ahead and have them installed on that Colorado. Okay, so the lights have their brackets on finally. You will be needing a 13 and a 14 to get them tightened up. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove these over here. I believe on these the nut is a 13, so we're gonna go ahead and remove the light pod now. So there's one of them. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the other one. Okay, so wiring's already been installed on this truck, so I pretty much just plugged and play. I cut out the other wires and just plugged in these new wires for these new lights. Same on the other side. Like I said, the wiring's already been pre-installed on this. If you need to do the whole wiring, I'd suggest you take it to a professional shop. But like I said, all I did was just cut the old wiring and install the new wiring. So now we're gonna go ahead and tighten up the bolts, and we'll see how the finishing looks on the lights look. Alright guys, and so this is the final product, final installation. That's how they look from the back. That's how they look from the front. Look pretty cool because you could adjust them. The other one, that was the right hand, this is the left hand. Let me go ahead and turn them on, that way you guys can see how it looks turned on. And there they are. Pretty neat. I like them. I like them a lot. I'm pretty sure at night they're gonna look way more bright. Way more brighter, I'm sorry. The box does say that they are 48 watts, so that's a pretty good amount of wattage for some LED lights. They'll be pretty bright at night, definitely. Well, thanks for watching guys, I appreciate it. You guys have a great weekend. Thank you very much.